Okay, I'm seeing some people are in and have created their page. So you're using your login and password to get into the wiki. Click the button that says create a page. And if you can still see my window, you may have to run your windows around a little bit here, but you should be able to see my window that says 99 Marlene. That's the new page that I am on. Vicki, I am so lost. No, we don't want to hear that. All right. Vicki, you should have had a page pushed out to you that has the blue wiki in it. Do you see that so far? I'm going to start over again here so I can catch up people. You should have gotten a login and a password from Phil as you came in, the blue wiki. So it should look like the page that I'm showing you where you can see my mouse. And Carl, do I have to re-push things if people didn't get it, or should they automatically get it?
I believe that we can see it. What I see right now is the front page. So,
right.
And now it's moving around and stuff. Yeah, it just says, last edited says 6 hours ago. This is a sandbox wiki for teachers to try things out.
Okay, you didn't get the page that I pushed out?
Oh no, I have two browsers open. I'm actually watching the one that you're working on, and then I have another one that's a live window that I can actually work on. Okay,
does everybody have two windows?
I lost one of them, but I know it's here somewhere.
Because I'm a little reluctant to push this out again, because I'm afraid that people who are in and working on things will lose it.
Yeah, I'm looking at Sharon's comment there. She has a second computer to work on the wiki. I think I might actually take Sharon's advice.
And I'm seeing people saying, no, they lost their second window. All right, maybe this was a crazy experiment. The demo looks the same as the demo. Yes, you should have two blue windows. Let me change.
I think I only have one. I don't see another one.
No?
Not anymore,
change this
no.
back to Webspiration. Terry, yeah, sometimes the second computer is nice. So now are you all seeing Webspiration? You're not seeing the blue wiki at all? We didn't get that one pushed out?
That's what I see.
All right, here, let me try pushing the blue wiki out again. And I hope that those of you who are working in it didn't lose things.
Yeah, we see the blue wiki for at least I do on my end.
Okay. All right, in that blue wiki, that's where you want to log in and use your login and password that Phil sent you. Yes, Lane, you will need to toggle between the two, because if I have mine up and showing you things, like here I'm going to the login page, so now I'm at the login page. You can follow me in the one window and then just click over in the other window and pull it to the front, and you can actually work in it. So the one that I pushed out that said the front page, that's where you can actually do a login and follow along with what I'm doing. So you've got two separate windows, right? So you click on one and then click on the other one to bring it to the front. I'm not sure, PC users, if you've got buttons along the bottom that you can click to switch between them. But Phil's got two separate windows that he's just clicking back and forth between. Okay, for those of you who are in and have created a page, what I'd like you to do is just type a little bit about yourself, and we'll see if we can get people opening. I was worried about having too many windows with this. I was hoping it would just be the 2, but I think there's 3. There's the Illuminate Live window itself, and then there's the one that I'm sharing with you, which now I'm at the front page. And then there's the 3rd one, which is the one that you can actually do something with. Now I'm back in your window. Don't know how to navigate back to my Judy. Judy, you can find it. Easiest way to do it is the little box that's up here on the upper right, and just type Judy. And you found it. All right. Okay, so as you're coming in, you're going to create a page, and you're putting your number in and your name, and this is the number from your login. So it's something like demo 059 or demo 099, and then you're creating the page. I know, I would like to have a screen that's about the size of my whole width of my desk. So this was part of our experiment to see how this would work, is actually doing it hands-on. But yes, Terry, trying to keep the comments going too. I'm seeing them down one side of my screen, and I have to keep one window off screen because otherwise it starts conflicting with what I'm trying to show you as I'm demonstrating. Okay, I'm not sure if my page actually got created or not, but we'll see how we're doing. Yes, Phil is playing. Can you hear him? I think Claire can.
Ooh. I'm hearing too loud.
No, they like it. All right, so here you are typing a bit of a bio, or a couple of things. Okay, and so we'll see you in a bit. I may end up just sort of demonstrating the rest of this because I think it's a little confusing with all the windows coming open, exactly what it is that we're doing. All right, so we've got a little bio going. The important thing when you're working with the wiki is down here at the bottom, the Save button. And that's one thing that people get in here and they start seeing that it works an awful lot like Microsoft Word, and you've got, you know, the bold and the underline and the spacing and all that sort of stuff. It's very easy to work in. Students take to this really super fast. But the one thing is that Save button that you don't necessarily have to do with some things that you work with, but in the wiki you especially need to. So be sure and get that Save button in there. And I was just going to show you a couple of things. Judy, I'm going to use your page. Don't save it yet. If you're still in the edit mode, I want to show what happens. So I'm going to look for Judy's page. And when I go here, can you see this? Across the top it says this page is being edited by. Right now it doesn't have a name in it because you're using student logins that I didn't give names to because I didn't know whose name was going to which login. But it says SDSU-LARC, and this is the one thing that I love about PDWorks versus a number of other wikis, like Wikispaces, unless they've changed it. Anybody can go in and edit at the same time, and then whoever saves first will probably lose their information when the next person saves that's still working in there. So I do like this SDSU-LARC feature to this particularly. And so I know that I need to come back later if I want to add something to Judy's page until she's actually saved it. Judy, do you want to save your page now? Yes, the joys of concurrent editing. Yeah, that was the first time I did a workshop with a wiki. I used Wikispaces, and I had 25 teachers all typing in one window at the same time. And they all kept saying, well, I see it for a minute, and then it disappears. And they couldn't understand, and I didn't understand what it was. So now Judy has saved her page, and I've refreshed my page, so now I can come in and I can edit in Judy's page. I think what I was trying to do, I'm probably going to run out of time for. I was going to have you get together in groups and do some commenting on each other's pages and do some editing on little stories that you might write. But I think that's going to be a little complicated, and I'll show you why. I have a groups list. When I first talked to John, we weren't sure if there were going to be 75 or 100 people in here. I think we've got 26, so that's a little bit more manageable. And I was going to put you in groups according to this, but since we're only 26, maybe I'll have you just sort of look through things. and see if you can find other people's pages, and I'll show you how we can do that. Under Pages and Files, in the top right of your screen, you will see a list of everyone who's made pages so far. So if you want to look for those that have the name with the number in front, those are the ones that were made today. I